This is Faruk's longest wait. Search and rescue teams are digging through the ruins, looking for his 80-year-old mother. There's a sense of desperation and lost hope.
The electricity was cut. If I had a little more time, I could have saved her too. I left through the outer door and I ran back. The building collapsed, rubble everywhere, dust in the air and no visibility. I tried to enter the second floor before help arrived. My son-in-law and neighbor's son ran into the building and saved the neighbor's father. Help came at that point, but there was nothing we could do but wait.
On Friday night, Elazığ was struck by a 6.8 magnitude earthquake. Dozens have been killed, and dozens more have been rescued. Cengiz is among the lucky few to have been rescued in time.
I could hear voices from the surface. I was screaming. I could hear them clearly, but I wasn't sure if they could hear me. I am still screaming. I had a teapot in my hand and behind me metal heater. I tried to make myself heard by banging on the heater. Every now and then, the surface would go quiet and I would make more noise. I believe they heard me at that point. As rescuers broke through the rubble, I could hear them clearer. I think I am making it out. We are going to be saved, and then we were rescued.
The first phase of aid consists of providing food and shelter. More than 10,000 tents have been sent to the city, and the government is pulling in all of its resources.
Ankara says the next phase of work will include the detection and destruction of weak and vulnerable buildings. Newer earthquake-resistant buildings will be built in their place, a move the government says will minimize or prevent casualties in the future. Yassin, TRT World, Elazığ in eastern Turkey.